ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 2-42 यामिमां पुष्पिताम्, अ स्टडी बाय S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Budhavasare, June 17th, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasaha with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीमष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्त्यविपश्चितः वेदवादर्ताः पार्थ नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः। पदच्छेदाः। याम इमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्ति अविपश्चितः वेदवादरताः पार्थ न अन्यत् अस्ति इति वादिनः। नौ phrase wise study. वाक्यांशशः अभ्यास. I have columns here for अव्ययाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, क्रियापदीयाः, प्रयोगः, प्रकारः, 7 columns. But I have not filled up the columns for prayoga and prakara because everywhere it is kartari prayoga, active voice, prakara, gaunam. It is all subclause altogether. We will come to that. So partha, it is a sambodhanam. So a vakyansha, a phrase by itself. Then anyat na asti. Partha anyat na asti iti vadinaha अविपश्चितः वेदवादरताः यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्ति. So altogether note, all vakyanshaha together make only a subclause because of the conjunctive pronoun yam. But anyat na asti iti is an embedded subclause as an object of the word vadinah. Now tigantashaha abhyasa. अस्ति. अस् इति धातुः द्वितीयगणिः परस्मैपदी. टू बी. कर्तरिप्रयोगः एक्टिव वॉइस. लट् लकारः वर्तमानकालः प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. प्रवदन्ति प्र प्लस वद प्रथमगणिः परस्मैपदी. टू प्रोक्लेम. कर्तरिप्रयोगः एक्टिव वॉइस. लट् लकारः वर्तमानकालः प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनम्. समासशः अभ्यासः. वेदवादरताः. वेदानां विषये वादः इति वेदवादः. मध्यमपदलोपी तत्पुरुषः. That विषये is an additional term which has to be brought in to make the meaning of the samasik shabdah clearer. So that madhyamapada is lupta. So madhyamapadalopi tatpurusha. Vedavade rataha iti vedavada rataha. Saptami tatpurusha. Engaged in discussion about Vedas. I am translating the word vada as discussion. It is also translated as argument. Avipashchitah. Avipashchit iti pratipadikam. Visheshanam. पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. न विपश्चित इति अविपश्चित. नय तत्पुरुषः. विपश्चित विशेषणम. लर्नेड, वाइज. सी शब्दकल्पद्रुमे विपश्चित. त्रि मीन्स त्रिषु लिंगेषु मीन्स विशेषणम. विशेषम पश्यति. विप्रकृष्टम चेतति, चिनोति, चिन्तयति वा. पुरुषोदरातित्वात् साधुः पंडितः इति अमरः. यथा मनौ सप्तमे अध्याये अष्टपञ्चाशते शति सर्वेषांस्तु विशिष्टेन ब्राह्मणेन विपश्चिता. There is compounding of upapadas from two dhatus. Vipash is from dhatuhu vi plus drush, and chit, hence meaning of vipash chit combines the meaning of vipash means vishesham pashyati from vidrush, and vichit means either viprakrishtam chetati from vichit or viprakrishtam chinoti from vichi or viprakrishtam chintayati from vichinta. All these three options would lend a composition of word like vichit, and vipash plus vichit, vipashchit. So together the meaning then becomes panditaha, learned, wise. Krudanta shaha abhyasa. Here we have columns for krudantaha, धातुगण पदाः, कृत प्रत्ययः, प्रातिपदिकम्, अर्थः, जातिः, प्रयोगः, लिंगम, विभक्तिः, वचनम. 10 columns. पुष्पिताम्. पुष्प इति धातुः चतुर्थगणीयः परस्मैपदी. कृत प्रत्ययः क्त. पुष्प क्त पुष्पित. प्रातिपदिकम्. To bloom or bloomed, expanded, opened up. जाति ही विशेषणम. प्रयोगः कर्मणि, पैसिव वॉइस. लिंगम स्त्रीलिंगम, द्वितीया एकवचनम. रताः. रम इति धातुः प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. क्त प्रत्ययः रम क्त रत, एंगेज्ड. जाति ही विशेषणम. प्रयोगः कर्मणि. क्त as the krut pratyaya always lends a visheshanam obtained from the dhatuhu, and in karmani prayoga it has karmani prayoga, passive voice inherent. So here rataha is pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Now subanta shaha abhyasa. Here we have columns for subantaha, pratipadikam, jatihi, pratipadikaartha, lingam, vibhaktihi, vachanam. 7 columns. Yam, yat iti pratipadikam, which is a sarvanama pronoun. Pratipadikaartha which. Strilingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. Imam, idam iti pratipadikam, sarvanama. This. Here strilingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. Vacham, vach iti pratipadikam, nama, noun. Talk, speech. Like that, many different meanings. Strilingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Partha, pratipadikam partha, nama, son of Prutha. Lingam pullingam, sambodhanam ekvachanam. Anyat, pratipadikam anyat, sarvanama, another thing. Napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. Vadinaha, vadin, pratipadikam, visheshanam, speaker, and vadinaha is pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Anvayartha. Anyat na asti iti vadinaha. Those who say another thing is not there, or those to whom any other thing is not acceptable. Any other thing is not there because any other thing is not acceptable to. Because those who are not open-minded, or those who are adamant upon what they say is the only thing. Anyat na asti iti vadina. Avipashchitah, vedvadartah. Those who are uneducated, or rather unwise, and yet are engaged in speaking about Vedas. Yam imam pushpitam vacham pravadanti. Such people, what flowery language they speak. Chando Vishlesham. Yam imam pushpitam vacham, shpitam va, etesham matraha eka dve dve. Pravadantya vipashchitaha, vipashchi, etesham matraha eka dve eka. वेदवादरताः पार्थ रताः पा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः तिवादि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दोत्र स्वाध्यायः notes of self study. Etymology of the word vipaschit is interesting and unique because it seems to make a compound of two dhatus or derivations from two dhatus. Because of the conjunction yam, the complete shloka is only a subclause that was mentioned earlier. Here, even Vedavadarataha, those engaged in discussing Vedas, are dubbed as avipaschitaha, uneducated and unwise, because they are not open-minded. They are rigid, thinking that what they say is the only thing. Anyat na asti iti vadinah. There is nothing else. Nothing else is true or correct, according to their way of thinking. There is a book on Gita with the title Gita as is. Such title smacks of being a statement of the type Anyat na asti. The contents may be good, but I think the title is not good. These Gita Bhyasa of mine never are and shall never be with any contention that what studies are presented here are final. Not at all. The whole idea of going into grammar and etymologies and the notes of self-study is to invite every reader to indulge in one's own self-study. The phrase Pushpitavak, Prathama Vibhakti of Pushpitam Vacham is interesting. One simple translation is flowery talk. But it raises a curiosity why the talk of Anyat na asti iti vadinah avipaschitah vedavadarataah is termed as flowery. Is it misleading by saying Anyat na asti iti and hence flowery? Is it incorrect because it is of avipaschitah, the unwise? Is it unduly argumentative because it is Vedavadarataha who are saying it? Is it Pushpita because it transcends into unwarranted perceptions? It seems that we should reserve these questions for studying the next shloka because this shloka is only a subclause. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601@gmail.com. Shubhamastu.